guys, welcome back. I am mixing up my resin and here are my colors. So the first one I have is Sailor Blue. And the second one I think is Turquoise Basic and then Dark Turquoise. Very pretty colors. Now here I went ahead and put the 3 layers on, but then I added Lumiere Pearlescent Turquoise. The one that's very on top is very light, very pretty. And I used the titanium white Resi Tint Max for this part to do the waves. I wanted to get a little bit closer so you can see the waves. So it was really hard trying to hold the camera and the heat gun at the same time. So I think maybe I will not try to do that again. But I'm trying to get in a little bit closer so you can see. Obviously I have to work a little bit better on my technique. But you can see it going out and it flows really, really well. So those are done. I actually let that sit for a while. And here's my second layer. And then when I say sit for a while, it's like a day. Here's my second layer. This is the Lumiere Pearlescent Turquoise. It's very pretty. I didn't want anything too dark on it. And then I'm going to use a heat gun to get it out nice and smooth. And then you try not to fill in everything because then you're going to have resin falling all over the place. And just FYI, everything was leveled out before I even started. So that's the color. And now I'm just putting clear in because I want my clear to go on first. And then I'm going to put in that titanium white. So I put a little thin layer. And sometimes if you want a thicker layer, that's fine too. So here goes my titanium white. And depending on how thick you want it, you could put it thinner, thicker. It's really up to you. So I'm laying that in. I think at this point I'm getting really excited about it. So I'm heating it up once more. And I'm going to try to hit it like at a 45-degree angle. And you can start watching those cells forming. So I'm pushing it out very gently because I don't want to stretch it out too much. But it's doing a good job here. It looks very nice. Actually, I guess I could have did more if I wanted it to be a little bit thicker, but I think it looks good. So I'm just pushing it out. I want to make sure I have some cells through that area too. This is the other one, so I was doing them both at the same time. So here I am putting that Lumiere Pearlescent Turquoise in again. And remember, I'm not filling up every single area because once you start heating it, it's going to move around. Kind of learned that a hard way. I lost a lot of resin. So here's my clear. And on this one, I did forget to heat it ahead of time. But it's okay. I guess I was kind of excited to start. And here we go. That again is our titanium white paste. Before I started blowing that out, I noticed that I dropped a little bit of resin. So I just put alcohol in it. And you can use 70 or 90% alcohol. And then I just use the rag to rub it off. So it pretty much takes it right off. So I'm just making sure it's off. I don't want any residue because it'll mess up the whole thing. So here I go with a heat gun again. Heating it up and then watching those waves go out and watching the cells form. Really important to hit it with your with a torch right afterwards. Then you can kind of see the cells forming. But be patient. Sometimes they just form as time goes by too. So make sure you blow them out good. It actually came out really pretty with the cells on this one too. Now I'm torching it again. And through the whole process, I did torch it a couple times. I even let it sit and come back. And here we go with the finished product. She is beautiful. I really like it. I did lay another clear resin on both of them though, because I wanted it to be level.